Stop by and take a look at the 2019 NV Passenger. The NV Passenger is a mixture of functionality, efficiency, and performance. It also provides the ultimate flexibility in both seating and cargo space. This vehicle has less than 5,000 miles. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.